Hello friends and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to add now the custom error validation for this not found but for this an existing endpoint, and we'll be seeing the custom error like you have seen on not found product, and instead of having this one here but having empty response. And you're going to see on how to do that. I'm going to minimize my postman and I'm going to go into the controller and I'm going to add the controller that will help us to deal with that. I'm going to go into the controllers. I'm going to say new C# and I'm going to say class, and I'm going to call this as a lock controller and press enter. And I'm going to remove the unnecessary usings. I'm going to use the quick fix and remove unnecessary usings. And again, I'm going to delete from the base API controller like this one. And here we go. And after this, we need also to add the loot that we're going to be using. I'm going to say loot. I'm going to use the loot. And I'm going to use this from MVC. And I'm going to say ls. And I'm going to say code. All right, and inside here we need to add an endpoint, and I'm going to say public action result, and this will take no type and it will be called error, and I'm going to be passing the code for this error, so I'm going to say code. And inside here I'm going to be using like this, and I'm going to say return new object result, and I'm going to say new API response, and I'm going to pass in the code. Okay, and I'm going to finish up the statement like this one. All right, and after we've done adding this, we need to go into the program.cs file and we have to register this. So I'm going to go back here into the program.cs, and below this var app equal to builder.build, I'm going to add here, I'm going to say app.user status code with execute, and I'm going to be passing like errors, and I'm going to say 0 like this one, and finish up the statement like this one. And after this, we can go ahead and test if this is working. I'm going to bring my postman and send the request. You can see that nothing changed, and it's possible that we need to restart our server so as to populate all the changes. I'm going to stop my server here and create the screen, and I'm going to restart the server and see if now it is going to be working. I hope so. Let's go ahead and try to send the request again. And voila, you can see that now we are getting the custom error code for this not found, and you can see that it is the same like we got on this for not found product. So let's go ahead and test it out to see if now the errors are the same. So whenever we click on send, we're going to be seeing the errors as the resource was not found. And in the next video, we're going to be considering on how to handle this null reference error that is going to return this exception as internal server error, and we need to get as much details as we can use while we are still in development. And all of that will be in the next video, and see you there. Stay cool and peace.